Welcome to Solidcam course. In this course, what are the contents of this course? The contents will be Solidcam introduction and interface, and also milling 3x operations, roughing and finishing, milling multi-x operations, drilling multi-x operations, and we will control the options of the cutting and non-cutting. Then also we will see in details how to create stock and tool creation, and also turning operations basics. Okay, so this is the Solidcam 23 course. Okay, we will discuss now for the introduction and interface. This is the interface of the Solidcam. We can open any CAD part, 3D CAD, from any other software. For example, this part is from NX, so it is okay if you did the modeling in any other part or in the SolidWorks or Solidcam itself. Okay, we have here sketch options, layout, assembly, so we have the options to create modeling in this part. In this Solidcam, we can create model. But during this course, mainly we will discuss the manufacturing. Okay, then we have here Solidcam part and some option related to new milling, turning, mill turn, or whatever that you need to define, as we will see next session. And also here we have this tree for the machine that we have, and the coordinate system and the stock and so on. We will see all of this in details. And here is the operations that I did. For example, this is the tool path that we did. And also we will see all of this in details. Solidcam operations, we have two options for the interface. First of all, to open Solidcam operation only, and from here we will have these operations, we will have these operations, we will have these operations, and we will have these operations and multi-x operation. So from here, or to open each tab for each specific operation. So this is the same of this. So this Solidcam 2.5, this is the operation. From here, Solidcam 0.5 will be here. Okay, this is the operations that related to the 2.5 dimension. That X and Y move together and Z in another separate line. So this is 2.5 and mainly for the planar surface. And this is the 3D and 3X milling roughing operation. This is, and we will know all of them. And this for the 3 milling operation but finishing. Okay, and then we will discuss also the multi-x operations, all of these, which is in this menu, and also some of turbo 3D HSM and turning operation. So this is what we will discuss during this course. Okay, we will focus on the common operations that you will use during your work. Okay, so this course will focus on the main operations and most common operations that will allow you to do any kind of surface. Any kind of surface, you will do any kind of surface. If easy or complex, you will do all. Okay, let's start. Thank you very much.